Hello, Bella here with Bella's Brushes. Just a real quick little video on my brush cleaning system. So I use the Bob Ross bucket with the screen inside because a 2-inch brush fits really well in here and you have lots of room to clean it, and we use a lot of big brushes. So what you do is you swirl the brush on the little screen in the bottom, push it up on the side to squeeze out as much paint thinner as you can get before you go to this bin. And in this bin, it has a clip hinge on the end here, and it has one on the other side, but if you leave it closed, it'll just hinge. It has a screen inside, and I just rub it on the screen slow and quick. But when I do this, I actually keep the lid down so that I'm not spraying that in my face or I can't really smell it. But for the video, I'll leave it open so you can see what's going on. You can buy these screens from Bob Ross. If you have a handyman in the house, which I do as a welder, he made me this little screen. So there you go. I just beat all the paint thinner out of there. And then I close it and close the clip so they don't tip it over. And then I take a paper towel. I love these blue shop towels. They hold together really well. And I just brush off. Look, hardly no paint thinners coming off of here. So the only brushes I beat in this big container are the 2-inch brush and the little 1-inch brush. Because if you wash this little 1-inch brush and then you try to dry it off with a paper towel, you're going to go through a lot of paper towels. And that's where this bin with the screen really saves you time, especially if you're a teacher. You can put like 10 of these brushes in here and have them kind of soaking as you wash one, and then you open and beat one, and then they're all kind of sitting there. And this little bin is just, it's been a dream. I just love this little container. Beat that out. And then take a paper towel again. See, hardly nothing coming off that brush. It would be really good to use for painting. No worries about paint thinner getting on your painting. That's easy way. And these little guys, I just wash them and then I dry them on a paper towel. And I always squish all my brushes, no matter what they are. This is a little filbert brush, number 6. And I still push them up along the side there just to help get a lot of that paint thinner out of there, so I'm not touching it with my hands or dripping it on the floor. And there, that's how I clean my brushes. And while I have a class, I always have these containers closed. Everything is closed until you actually need to use it. I hope you found that helpful. And you can also go look at one of my other videos I have, and I show you how to clean this bucket out and how to recycle your paint thinner. I wish you the best of day and happy painting.